Hi, my name is Ashley Wilson, and I am currently a high school teacher. I'm also a coach, and I am a sponsor of a couple of the clubs that we have here at my school. So, yeah, I do a lot with students and the community. At my school, the second semester is always so busy. It's spring sports season, and there's still winter sports happening. It kind of like goes hand in hand. Also, there's a lot of like fundraising going on with different like March of Dimes and Relay for Life. So all of that stuff picks up. We also are preparing for testing season. So we do have state test where I'm at, as well as like national like standardized tests like AP tests. So there's a lot going on as we kind of truck towards May, where we end, and we will have graduation. So there's just a lot of stuff going on. I think some things that parents and students don't always see is just the amount of planning that goes into like school events, even just a regular school day, registration, and all of the things that we do, particularly in the second semester. There's just so much planning involved. Who's going to be where, all the moving pieces, what things do we need, where is it going to be at, is there a plan B if something doesn't work out? So there's just a lot of parts that the people who get to participate don't get to see, but they do get to reap the benefits of having a well planned out event or conference or anything that people on kind of behind the curtain are really putting on for people. So I use SignUpGenius religiously, especially with my clubs and sports and things like that. I use it to really organize many of the events that we do as a club. A lot of the things that fundraisers, having kids bring stuff in, it's just so much easier for me to send a sign up out and get who I'm doing what from there. Also, I use it actually for my classes. So different projects, like I don't want everyone to do the same thing. So I just do like a sign up genius, and it's just easier for my kids to be able to sign up, and it will email them like a reminder when things are coming up to the deadline or the date that it's supposed to happen. So it's just really clean way for me to see what's happening on my end, a way for me to organize, to be better, a better coordinator of events, and a better teacher, and a better coach, and a better sponsor of my club. One way SignUpGenius makes my job easier is just by how easy it is to make a sign up. It's a very seamless process. You do it by slots or by dates or by both, and or people can just RSVP to something. And so it's really easy just to send out a link. So the communication is quick. It's very simple for someone to sign up for something. I don't have to teach them how to do it or even teach them how to take their name off of something. So I really enjoy using it.